Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bumi. Today I want to show you the easiest way to cut a flounce. The easiest way to cut a flounce is to cut it in form of a full flay, and to do that you need to cut 3 to 4 flay. So in this I'm going to cut just 3 flay. And the first thing you need to do is to know the measurement of where you want to attach your flounce, and also know the width of the flounce. Measurement of the place I want to attach my flounce is 48, so I divide my 48 divided by 3, since I'm cutting 3 flay, and which is 16. And since it's full flay, so you're going to divide your 16 divided by 6.28, which is 2.6. So now what you will need to do is to fold your fabric into, you see the way I fold it into 4. I fold it into 4, and I fold it this way again. Don't forget, I told you I'm going to cut 3 of this. I'm going to cut 3 of this. I'm cutting 3 of this. So like I said, 2.6. You measure the measurement you want to get here should be 2.6, and this is exactly 2.6. So this is exactly 2.6. So now the width of my flounce, is 8. So now you take 8 round. 8. Then 8. Oh, sorry. So this is it. So let me explain again. I told you the measurement of the place I want to attach my flounce is 48. So I divide 48 into 3, since I'm cutting 3 flay. So I divide 48 into 3, which make it 16. So since it's a full flay, so you need to divide your 16 divided by 6.28, which is 2.6. So this is 2.6, and the width of my flounce is 8. Then I measure 8 round. So I'm going to cut 3 of this. So you cut it out. So this is it. So now I'm going to cut 2 more of this. So guys, this is the 3 full flay that I cut. So what I need to do now is to open it up. So you open it up. After you open it up, you want to cut out your lining. You use it to turn it. After turning it, then you're going to sew. Then you sew it. You sew the 3 pieces together. So I'm going to pin it just to show you how it will look after sewing it. So I'm just going to show you how it will look after sewing it together. See, after you get your lining, you turn it. So because I don't have the lining right now, so I'm just going to show you what to do. So you just pin the 3 pieces that you cut out, you pin them together. See how I pin them? You sew them together. When you sew them together, and see, this is it. So thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video, and also leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, and see you guys in my next video.